Do you know who are the top 10 Reggae Boyz goal scorers of all time? We challenge you to pause the video and write down your list. Then compare your list to the list to follow. Ready? Let's go. Number 10 on our list is Hector Wright. He played as an attacking midfielder who had excellent vision and a thunderous free kick. He also possessed pinpoint passing and could split defenses effortlessly. For example, look at this pass he made to set up a Paul Young goal in the qualifiers for the 1998 World Cup. Hector played for the Reggae Boyz from 1988 to 1997 and scored 16 goals.
Buen disparo, se va a fondo el jugador jamaiquino en velocidad y está cortando distancia en el marcador. Lo que esperaban, la salida a velocidad, la salida en penetración con rapidez y lo logran. Aguantan todo y así clarean a Jorge.
Tied at numbers 8 and 9 is Paul Teggett Davis. For most of the 1980s and 1990s, he was the man who the Reggae Boyz depended on for goals. He was deadly in the box, but could also make solo runs if that was needed. He represented the Reggae Boyz for over a decade, from 1983 to 1997, and scored 18 goals. Holding down numbers 8th and 9th place along with Teggett Davis is Darren Maddox, a fantastic dribbler who was lethal in front of goal. He represented the Reggae Boyz from 2012 to 2019 and scored 18 goals.
Top of the box, shooting opportunity. Oh, what a smack! And what a hit from Darren Maddox. And the Reggae Boyz on a roll here.
Up next, tying for places 6th and 7th, is a man that many on the island hold as a cult hero. Walter Boyd, known as the Pearl, was a dribbling maestro. He had no fear with the ball at his feet and could make the best defenders look silly. The fact that he made this list is also a testament to his goal-scoring abilities. He represented the Reggae Boyz from 1991 to 2001 and scored 19 goals. Tying with Boyd for places 6th and 7th is the only player on the list who is currently active, Shamar Nicholson. He is a brilliant goal scorer and could move higher up the list as his career is still in full flight. Shamar made his debut for the Reggae Boyz in 2017 and has so far scored 19 goals.
As Jamaica equalize, Shamar Nicholson.
And now Jamaica looking to counter. Into space, the foot race, and it's going to be won by Sefas. Sefas into the area. Sefas squaring for Nicholson. Goal! Bloop, 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 goal! Jamaica!
Andy Williams also ties with another player for places 4th and 5th. He was known for his powerful shot from literally anywhere on the pitch.
Young, atención al remate, García, gol!
This goal against Canada in 2008, however, shows that he wasn't all about power, he also had excellent technique. Bama, as he was known, came on the scene in the midst of the qualifiers for the 1998 World Cup. He represented the Reggae Boyz from 1997 to 2008 and scored 22 goals. Paul Young was a key piece of the Reggae Boyz puzzle during their qualification for the 1998 World Cup. He ties with Andy Williams for the 4th and 5th spots. His goal-scoring ratio was remarkable as he scored his goals at a ratio of 0.45. This means that he scored a goal in nearly every 2 matches he played. He represented the Reggae Boyz from 1989 to 1997 and scored 22 goals. This takes us into our top 3 all-time leading goal scorers for the Reggae Boyz. At number 3 is the World Cup hero, Theodore Whitmore. Apart from the 2 goals he scored at the 1998 World Cup, he scored another 22 goals, making him the Reggae Boyz' 3rd highest goal scorer of all time. He represented the Reggae Boyz from 1993 to 2004 and scored 24 goals.
Pudo quedar tranquilo y nació al día siguiente.
Viene el centro, clave, gol. ¡Gol! ¡Gol!
Mi hijo recibió sus primeros arrullos con los gritos de gol de Andrés Cantor y de Norberto Longo.
Coming in at number 2 is the cannon shot man himself, Onandi Lowe. Possessing one of the most powerful shot in world football during his time, goalkeepers cringed to face him, even when he was a far distance away.
Oh, blast, deflected, goal! He did it again! Jamaica has taken the lead, and Onandi Lowe will lead them.
Esperando al árbitro, Whitmore voltea a ver a sus compañeros. ¡Ay, es que no le pega! ¡Qué golazo! ¡Gol de Jamaica!
Onandi Lowe.
Onandi, a bailar reggae, qué disparo, qué zapatazo del jamaiquino.
Despite his powerfully built stature, he was very agile on the pitch and drove fear into opposing players who failed in their attempts to shove him off the ball. Nandi represented the Reggae Boyz from 1995 to 2004 and scored 27 goals.
And now, to crown the king, the Reggae Boyz' top goal scorer of all time is the late Luton Shelton, a forward with tremendous speed and skill. It was a nightmare for defenders to keep up with him. A well-rounded striker who was brilliant on the ground as well as in the air, Luton set the mark to which all Reggae Boyz strikers aspire. And considering that the only currently active player on our list is all of 16 goals away, he might hold the number 1 spot for some time to come.
Rechazaba, mejor Garner, atención, cuidado, la pelota con Shelton, atención, encara Shelton, pasó Shelton, va a llegar, gol de Jamaica. Shelton acaba de marcar en una gran jugada el 1-0. La paraba, pero...
At the time of his retirement, he had represented the Reggae Boyz for 9 years, from 2004 to 2013, and scored 35 goals. We are proud of all these legends and look forward to new players making this top 10 list in the near future. Thank you very much for watching.